Proper care and maintenance of the M9530 requires some general disassembly referred to as a field strip. This includes removal of the bolt and can be accomplished without the use of any tools. Ensuring the rifle is unloaded and safe is the first step to any disassembly or maintenance. Push the safety down into the fire position and draw the bolt back. To remove the bolt, press the trigger forward and draw the bolt out of the receiver. With the rifle field stripped, it can be properly cleaned and then reassembled. Further disassembly of the rifle is covered in a separate training film. To reassemble, align the lugs on the bottom of the bolt body with the rails in the receiver and simply insert the bolt back into the receiver. Then push the safety up into the safe position. If the bolt head becomes retracted into the bolt body while out of the receiver, it will need to be withdrawn before being inserted into the receiver. A cloth to grasp the bolt head may be useful in doing this. This may take some force, and the bolt head will rotate clockwise as it comes out. It can then be reassembled as previously described. To function check the rifle, ensure the bolt is closed, striker cocked, and the rifle is on safe. Pull the trigger. The trigger should move to the rear, but the striker should not be released. Attempt to pull the bolt back to the rear. It should be locked and not move. Place the rifle on fire and pull the bolt fully to the rear. The bolt should not come out of the receiver. Close the bolt. The cocking piece should extrude from the bolt body. Pull the trigger. The striker should be released and the cocking piece should retract into the bolt body. Place the rifle on safe while uncocked. This completes the function check. The next film in this series will cover loading and unloading. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to support the channel, a link to our Patreon page is in the description. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.